In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a sprint in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get right into it. Managing sprints and projects can sometimes be a bit overwhelming, especially if you need to make changes, like deleting a sprint that's no longer necessary. Fortunately, Jira makes this process fairly straightforward once you know where to find everything. So let's walk through the steps together. First things first, you need to start by logging into your Jira account. Open your preferred web browser, head to the Jira login page, and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to navigate to the project where the sprint you want to delete is located. Next, after you've successfully logged in, open your project. Look for it in your list of projects on the main dashboard. If you're having trouble finding it, you can use the search function at the top. Once you've found your project, click to open it. Now that you're in your project, it's time to locate the sprint you wish to delete. On the left-hand side panel, you should see various options. Depending on your configuration, you may find backlog or sprints listed there. Click on backlog, and you should see all the sprints associated with this project. At this point, you'll want to create a sprint if one hasn't already been set up, or if you need to manage multiple sprints. There should be a button labeled Create Sprint. Click on that, and you'll see the sprint section expand. Once you've created your sprint, or if you're ready to delete an existing one, locate the sprint you want to delete. You should see a list of all sprints you've created. Now to delete the sprint, look for a three-dot icon or an ellipsis on the right side of the sprint's name. This is often referred to as the More Actions button. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, you will find several options, one of which is Delete Sprint. Click on it, and a confirmation dialog will pop up, asking you if you really want to delete the sprint. This is a safety measure to ensure that you're certain about your decision before any permanent changes are made. If you're sure that you want to proceed, click on the Delete button in this confirmation box, and just like that, the sprint will be removed from your project's backlog. It's important to remember that deleting a sprint can't be undone, so make sure you double-check that it's the sprint you really want to get rid of before hitting that Delete button. And there you have it! You've successfully deleted a sprint in Jira. I hope this step-by-step guide made the process clearer for you. As you can see, while it might seem daunting at first, the steps are pretty simple when you break them down. If you ever encounter any issues or need more assistance, don't hesitate to check out the Jira documentation or reach out to your team members for support. Don't forget to revisit the video if you need to refresh your memory, and please share it with anyone who might find it helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy sprinting!